Hello.
Hi friends, we came out to eat ramen for dinner. Go ahead. We brought our chopsticks with us. Mimi brought her kimchi.
Kimchi.
I brought it all the way from the house and my own chopsticks too. Oh, and one of our favorite wooden spoons.
What? Look, no. We're holding that somehow.
Mimi's having the salad. Nolan is having the soup. What do you think of the soup? Very yummy. Spring roll. That was nice and fresh. All right, I'm gonna take a little shrimp sauce and a little bit of this spring roll sauce. Just a few little sprinkle of the sweet. Actually, I wanted more. I like it salty. Dip. Oh, yes. I cannot wait to throw down on this ramen. You have no idea. I'm so excited. Did you get everything done?
Yeah.
Black garlic oil. Nano, did you try it? It's literally so dang delicious.
Hey, guys. What do you think of the rice?
Okay, I'm gonna try to make the perfect bite. We got a little bit of noodle, some cabbage. Come here, cabbage, kimchi, chicken, broth. Cheers. It is so good.